Hi, I'm Bill White. I'm the estimator for Hanna Plumbing and Heating. I've been in the industry for 25 years and I've been with Hanna for 17. The timeline for a kitchen remodel is if it's just replacing a sink and faucet and garbage disposal, we can do that in a day. There's going to be rough-in replacement and it's a pretty large remodel, then it may take a couple days, and depending on the contractor, ordering in cabinetry or ordering in countertops, and then that can add to the length too. No, a lot of our customers aren't even on site when we're doing the work. We're a trusted contractor. We've done our remodels while they've been on vacation or they've been at work, and so that when they come home, they can have the product done. If you need any plumbing service or remodel needs, contact Hanna Plumbing and Heating on our website or at 319-377-2809.